Today we are going to solve the problem of the day for 6th January. The problem is minimum number of operations to move all the balls to each box, right? So let's read this. So this is a medium kind of a problem. The topics are array, string, and prefix sum. So the yesterday's topics are also the same. Let's try this problem out. So we have n boxes. You are given a binary string boxes of length n, where boxes I is 0 if ith box is empty and box contain one ball. Okay. In one operation you can move one ball from box of adjacent to box. Okay. Box I is adjacent to box j if absolute. Okay. So adjacent means so to its left or to its right. Note that after doing so, there may be more than one box in some boxes. Sure. Return the array answer of size n where answer I is minimum number of operations needed to move all the balls of ith box. Initial state of the box, right? 110. So it contains a box, it contains a ball, it doesn't contain a ball. So let's read this example. After that we will gonna explain this example. Okay. So the answer of the first box, you will have to move all the boxes from second first so so return the area size and where is the minimum number of options. Okay, so the answer I means how many number of operations is required to move all the boxes from all over the array to the current uh, current state, right? So let's discuss this problem. So this is 110 means this contain box ball, this contain ball, this contain ball, this doesn't contain ball. So the answer will be 0 comma 0 comma 0, right? So let's see, the answer will be how many operations is required to move all the boxes in this array to this box, right? So let's say this contain a ball, this contain a ball, this contain a ball, this contain a ball. So to move all the boxes in this array on this box, we need only one operation to move this ball on this box. So this is one, right? Similarly, to move all the boxes in this array in this box, we need only one operation to move this ball on this box. So this is one. And to move all the balls in this array over this box, we need three operations, right? One for this and two for this. So this is 3. So this is 113. So the correct answer is 113. Let's discuss this. 0 0 1 0 1 1. So this is 0 0 1 0 1 1, right? So the answer so 2. So 2 for this, 3. So 2 for this, 4 for this, and 5 for this, right? So this is 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11. Similarly, 1 for this, 3 for this, and 4 for this. Plus 3, 4 or 4, 8, right? Similarly, in this box, 2 for this and 3 for this. So 5 in this, 1 1 and 2 4. For this, 2 and 1 3, 1 and 3 4. So So yeah, this is the correct solution. Let's discuss its native approach. Move all this move box. We have to iterate first. Wait, UGH to array. So so for native approach, what you can do is uh, what we have to do is to find the answer. To find the answer AI, we have to iterate through uh, all the array and calculate if if let's say s, so array is box, let's say box I box I is equals to 1 and I is not equals to j, answer I plus equals to I absolute of I minus j, right? So through this we will calculate all the answer i's. So in this operation we have to iterate over the array, and for calculating all the answer i's we have to iterate over the array n times. So the time complexity will become n square, and space complexity, obviously for storing these answers we have to take the space of on. So space complexity will be on. Okay, so uh, can we do it better? Can we do it? Uh, so do, do do we have any better approach for this? So this is obviously n square, which is not gonna be the best approach. However, we can solve this using n square because 2000, right? So that will be less than. So 2000 into 2000 is 4000, 4 into 10 to the power 6, which is obviously less than 10 to the power 8. But we are gonna solve this a bit for less than. We are gonna solve this in lesser time complexity, right? So how can we do? Let's think about it. Uh, so the question can be solved using prefix sum. So let's think about some prefix sum type of a technique. So we have, let's say, 1 1 0, right? You can say it's at the second position. uh, so 1 2 0. So uh, let me think. So I am thinking of something prefix sum. So can we do something like that 1 1 0? So make it like 1 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 0 2 plus 0 2. So can we do it? Can we find some solution from this? So no, I think uh, so we have to find the weighted sum, right? We have to find the weighted sum from left and right. So let's take a case 0 0. So let's take a case 1 1 0, right? So weighted sum will be 1 2 and 0, right? So for at 1 we have only 2. So at 1 mm, so it's our second position from 0, right? Okay. Oh, I got something. So let's take a solution 1 1 0, right? So make a weighted sum like of thing 1 2 and 0, and we are initially at we are initially at 1, so we are initially at nothing. Okay, on the left side we have nothing, we are on nothing. On the right side we have 3 counts, right? 3. On moving towards right, on moving on the or on this box, right, what you can do is also we will count the number of boxes here. So 3 with 2 boxes, right? Okay. On moving to the right, what you can do is, if this this is the box, if there is a ball in this box, we will decrease this from the number of balls here, and also this this count, right? So what we'll gonna decrease, so in the left array we have still nothing, we are on a ball, and in the right array we will decrease this one. So we have a ball, so the total count will be 2, and we are still with the one ball, right? We are still with the one ball, and we are at the 1. So the answer is gonna be uh, we are at the 1, right? Yeah, so we are at the first position, right? So answer is gonna be this minus the number of balls, right? So 2 minus 1 will be 1. So I'm not very clear about this. Let's say we move to this, right? So we will have uh, no. So what we will decrease, right? We will decrease. So on moving to the right, what we will not decrease is the total number of balls from this. So on doing this, we are still on the 1, and we have 1 into or in the number of balls, right? Moving again to the 1, what's gonna increase? So we are at the 1 ball, we have 0, so we will increase with 1 ball, right? Okay, so let's make a formula on moving right, GST, on moving right from RIGS, right array, from right from right count decrease. So let's make a formula. Right count is equals to right count minus right balls. So right count minus right balls, right? If box I is equals to 1, right ball will be minus 1. ठीक है, left count plus with the so left ball. So if box I plus 1, right? So if box I equals to 1, left ball plus equals to 1, or left count is equals to left count plus equals to left ball. Okay, this is the final formula, right? And we are gonna see now here at I is equals to 0, at I is equals to 0, left ball is equals to 0, right ball is equals to 1. हाँ मिस, मैं यहीं हूँ अपने रूम में. हाँ हाँ तू आजा आजा. सब लोग हैं? नहीं अभी नहीं पहुँचा. पूछ ले भाई, अभी मैं थोड़ा काम था यार, मैं करता हूँ तेरे को, है ना? ठीक है भाई. 906. ठीक है भाई. So on I is equals to minus 1, right? Left ball is equals to 0, right ball total number of, we have total number of 2 balls. Left count is still 0, right count is 3, as we are counting the weighted sum, right? Now moving to right. So by this formula, right? So I is equals to 1. Left ball is still 0. Right ball will be decreased by 1 because, so let's see, if right ball is decreased by 1, left count is still, so we don't have left ball, so left count is still 0. Right count will be minus by right ball. So first of all, right count will be minus by right balls. So we have the right balls of 2. So right count will be minus by right balls. So right count will be 1. After that, right balls will get reduced, right? At I is equals to 2. So this is I is equals to 0. Of course, I is equals to 1. So left ball will be increased. 1. Right ball will become, of course, 0. So before that, I'm gonna count right count. So right count will be 0, of course. Count will become, so the left count will be added. Count will become, left count will become 1, and the right count will be now 0. At I is equals to 2. Left ball will be 2, right ball will be cos 0, left count will become 2 plus 1, so 3, right count is 0 minus 0 is still 0. So in case the answer will be left count 0 plus 3, so this is not counted, answer will be 1 1 3, right? So this is how we gonna solve this. So we will gonna be left ball is equal to 0, right ball, so left count is equal to 0, so 1 is equal to 0, right ball is equal to 0 as of now for I boxes. We're gonna count left, right count and right ball in boxes. If I is equals to 1, left boxes range line boxes. If boxes I 1 है तो right ball is equals to 1, right count sorry is equals to I plus 1, so this is using, we are using the 2, so I plus 1 by of course. Now so again I'm going to iterate in this answer equals to 0 into line of boxes, right? So answer, so I have moved on, I have moved in I towards 0, right? On moving 0, first of all right count v minus equals to right ball, so I will make this as this one, right? If boxes is equals to 1, right ball minus equals to 1, if boxes I minus 1 is equals to 1, also I'm gonna make so this case, right? So answer I is equals to left count plus right count. प्रॉब्लम होती है
लीड कोड तूने भी शुरू कर दिया इस साल रोज करने का।
हाँ it's not updating, right? Okay, so this is a string, right?
Play pyar from the
it's a string. Let's try now. Yeah, all the test cases getting passed. So guys, as you can see, I have completed it almost 97.9, so almost best accuracy. Yeah, so I will share this solution with you in the comment section. Thank you guys for your patience, and if you guys have gained some knowledge from this video, I will be very happy to see that. I don't ask for any likes or comment, as this video is not for any monetary purpose, or I'm not gonna use it for gaining any followers or something. I just want this video is only for my self development purpose, and I am gonna I want to work on my communication skills. That's why I'm making this video and uploading on the YouTube. If so that if you guys are seeing this, you have any suggestion, you can share it on the comments. Thank you again for your patience. If you like this, so okay, this is op- so this is best approach. Let's see some other approaches also. So light this. Okay, so these guys are doing this using two different loops. So what they are doing is they are first moving from 0 to n, right? They are moving 0 to n, and they are just they are just okay, so they are just okay, so they are moving from 0 to n, and they are just counting that if they are going to so let's discuss in this comment section also this so their approaches, right? So let's 1 1 0, right? So what are they doing is they are making result array which is like 0 comma 0 comma 0, right? So on their first operation they see that operations is of course 0, right? So result I will be 0. Now count will become, so if box I is 1, count will so count will be added, or else count will not be added by anything. So now count will become 1, operation will become count, so operation will become 1, operation is of course 0. Now at this point result will become 1, right? Count will become 2, and operations will become 3. Of course operations will become 3. So this is of course the weighted sum, as I have shared with you. This will become 3. So now again going back, this is of course 3, operations will become count will become 0, operations remains 0. This is again 1, count now will become 1, and operations are now become 1, and this will become 1, right? So this is how they are going to solve this problem. Let's see some other approach. This is also very good approach, but they are using two loops. So and we are solving it in using one loop only. So we of course divide. So what is this right cost? This, sorry guys, I don't know. I'm not able to understand what is this doing. Okay. So this is of course the best approach which we are doing. Thank you guys.